Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today we are looking at two important tools, Seona AI and Browse AI. We'll see which AI tool wins. Are you struggling with SEO or web scraping? Today we compare the two powerful AI tools, Seona AI and Browse AI to see which one saves you time and boosts productivity. So stick around to find out which tool is best for you. When it comes to their main use, Seona AI is AI-powered SEO automation, while Browse AI is web scraping and data extraction. When it comes to what they are best for, Seona AI is best for bloggers, marketers, SEO newbies, while Browse AI is best for researchers, analytics, and developers. When it comes to ease of use, Seona AI is super simple, it's just plug and play, while Browse AI requires setup but is flexible. When it comes to their key strengths, Seona AI auto optimizes content and keywords, while Browse AI extracts data from any website. When it comes to pricing, Seona AI starts at $49 per month, while Browse AI starts at $48.75 per month. And when it comes to AI magic, Seona AI writes SEO-friendly content, while Browse AI automates repetitive data tasks. So, Seona AI is like your SEO assistant, while Browse AI is your data detective. Pick Seona AI if you want hands-off SEO optimization, and pick Browse AI if you need custom web data extraction. Both are amazing, it just depends on your needs. So which one are you choosing? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool showdowns. See you in the next video.